And speaking of LED lights, swapped out that faucet. A little more detail on the faucets. Has a sprayer. What you call it? Obviously it pulls out. Sorry. Hold the right hand. It's like tapping your head and patting your belly at the same time. Oh, the wife likes cubby baskets. So when we're going somewhere, she loads this thing up after we get there, and it goes, I think it goes up there or it goes in the sink somewhere. Sounds like I still have air. Alright, so it also came with a soap dispenser. So if you know, the original faucet has 2 inlets in and out. So I put the soap dispenser there, and then the right side had the regular faucet. As you can see, top down view. So it's not, obviously it's not centered, so you don't get the perfect left right, but it's actually pretty much centered on this side, and we actually like it. And then just a soap dispenser that we don't use. Future will probably have a water filter installed there. One of those little trigger water, yeah, thingamajigs. I think that's gonna. Here's underneath the sink if you want to see the adapters. I used a shark bite PEX adapters, valves, whatever you want to call them, to the, I think it was probably a 3/8, so 1/2 inch 3/8, and that is the line that goes into the sink. 2 lines there,